I've been listening to this for about an hour now. That's about all I can take. This is about as good as you're ever going to get a DCS soundboard to sound. Let me let it go through all the sounds. Fishtails has an excessively long sound test. This soundboard was reported to make some crackling sounds after a while, and the general reason for that is that the LM1875 amp that's attached to this big old heatsink gets hot and it starts cutting out to preserve itself. And the reason that happens is some of these capacitors fail. So I have this documented in the pin wiki, but there's a 0.22 microfarad ceramic cap. There's a 10 microfarad tantalum. I believe this is 22 microfarad electrolytic. And then I replaced a couple of tantalums down in there, the blue ones you can see. And then I've replaced all the 47 microfarad caps. There are 4 blue ones that you can see there, 2 black ones in the center. Interestingly, most games, if not all games, only use channel 1, so I could get by without stuffing channel 2, but somebody might raise a question on that. And of course, a 100 microfarad cap at the input filter, and these 2 big 4700 microfarad caps that filter the main power. So this soundboard is good to go. Like I say, it's been playing for an hour, and I thank you so much for sending it and your patience as I work through my queue.